Hi everyone, this is Tandeep Sangra, founder of SheInnovatesAI. Today I'll show you how to make your brand AI visible in just few simple steps. And it starts with something most of the founders ignore, that is structured data, which is also known as schema. Now, what it actually means? Schema is structured data that helps AI and search engines understand who you are and what you do and why your content is credible, instead of just guessing. Right? So without schema, AI may read your content, but it will not recognize its authority. Let's dive in to know more. First, you need to choose the right schema type for your content. Think of it like telling AI that what kind of page this is. If you're writing blogs or articles, you use article schema. If it's your main website, then use organization schema. And if you are building a personal brand as a founder or a leader, you use the person schema. This helps AI clearly understands who you are, what you do, and how to categorize your content instead of just guessing. So there is an example I have showcased on screen. Just have a look at it, and this is how your schema will look up once you will establish it. Now, if you don't want to do this manually, there are so many tools that are available to set up the schema and in much easier way, right? If you are on WordPress, tools like Yoast SEO and Rank Math, they automatically add schema to your pages. For more advanced setups, tools like Schema app or Merkle schema generator also work really well. But if you are just getting started, Google's free tool is still the simplest way to understand how schema works. So I have displayed a list of certain tools that maybe you can refer to and you can try on. It will definitely make and help you in setting up the schema for your website in very quick and easy way, right? So for now, I would suggest if you are just getting started, just go to Google's free structured data markup helper and then select your content type and paste your page's URL. It will provide you the schema that you can add to your website. After you have added your page's URL into Google Structured Data Marker Helper, right? So it's crucial to highlight important elements like your headline, description, author, or logo, and assign the correct tag, because these are the tags that will help the AI LLMs to understand that what your page is all about, who you are, and what you are actually offering, right? So Google will automatically generate the schema for you here. After you have added your pages, so after you are done and assigning the tags to your specific content type on the website pages, then simply create HTML and copy the generated schema and add it to your website in the head section, or simply share it with your developer. They will upload it over there. So after you are done and assigning the tags to your specific content type on the website pages, then simply create HTML and that's it. You are done with your schema setup, and this will help AI understand your expertise, not guess it. If you want your brand to be discoverable, trusted, and cited in LLMs, then this is where it starts. If you need any assistance or guidance on the same, just simply reach out to me, or you can always drop a message, or you can visit www.SheInnovatesAI.com. I would be happy to help. Stay tuned for future episodes. See ya.